Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable using WalletHub for fee comparison easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable WalletHub for fee comparison, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.wallethub.com and press enter. Once on the WalletHub homepage, look for the sign up button located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the sign up button to create an account. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. Make sure to agree to the terms of service by checking the box provided. After completing the form, click on Sign Up to proceed. Check your email inbox for a verification email from WalletHub. Open the email and click the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is activated, return to the WalletHub homepage and log in. After logging in, navigate to the Compare Fees section, which can usually be found in the main menu. Select the type of fees you want to compare, such as credit cards, loans, or insurance. Enter the necessary details like the amount or specific criteria in the provided fields. Click on the Compare button to generate a list of options. Review the comparison results to understand the fee structures. Use the filters on the side to narrow down your options based on your needs. If you find a suitable option, click on it to get more detailed information. Explore additional resources or calculators available for further assistance. Ensure to save or bookmark your preferred choices for future reference. Now you are ready to use WalletHub for fee comparison efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.